It is a fatal flaw to think that because all your turkeys are eating and they look excited around their feed, they are all eating well. There could be turkeys amongst them who aren't getting enough feed. And if you don't know the signs to look out for and the right things to watch, you may only see that they are missing out when it's too late. I mean, when they are dead. In this video, let's look at turkey feeding behavior, how to spot things that are abnormal, and how to correct it before it's too late. First, how does healthy turkeys eat? When you really observe healthy turkeys, you would realize that they don't eat once or twice, but they like to eat frequently in small amounts throughout the day. How do I mean? They'll eat a little. When they feel they are full, then they'll rest a while and afterwards come again and continue eating. Even among the poults are turkey chicks. It's the same thing. They would eat, then go somewhere, lie down, sleep. When it feels hungry, it comes back, eat, go, lie down. So it's in that cycle. They eat, they rest, they eat, they rest, they eat, they rest. Usually we provide them with feed in the morning, and then we also provide them with feed in the afternoon or evening, which is fine. But the normal eating cycle of turkeys are just what I described, eating and resting. So one thing you need to observe or watch out for is a turkey that doesn't seem to care or that doesn't seem to be returning back to the feed. It can return to the feeder just to actually check if there is feeding. A healthy turkey will do that. But if a turkey doesn't care, if it's just lying there, it could mean that something is wrong. Another thing to watch out for is how they are feeding, not just if they are feeding. Strong and healthy turkeys would eat fast and confident. They'll be constantly pecking the feed. I mean, they'll be gulping it down. They don't want to raise their head. They'll be busily pecking, eating aggressively. Those you see that they are very strong. That's how they eat. And it's not just when they are hungry, but even when they are okay, they still try to eat fast. An instinct that they don't really want to share. It may be a part of their survival instinct. They don't want to share, so they want to eat everything as soon as possible before someone else comes up or shows up and shots them in the meal that they are eating. However, when a turkey is weak, it eats slowly and it eats hesitantly. When a turkey isn't normal, it is also pushed away. Even when it's standing near the feed, whilst the others are eating, it just stands there and is often pushed away by the healthy ones. So the energy level that the turkey is eating with, that aggression, that confidence, shows whether it is healthy or not. When it's down, you can be sure that something is wrong with it. It can come and stand beside the feed, peck one, leave it, peck one, leave it. It means it's weak or something is wrong with it. But if it's constantly eating aggressively, then that's a healthy turkey, and that's how turkeys actually like to eat. Another thing is the water. Turkeys like to drink right after eating, or even while they are eating, they can leave the feed, go, they dip their beak in the water, drink a little, and then go back to feeding. So you'd realize that they move smoothly between feeder and drinker, feeder and drinker. Healthy turkeys drink frequently and immediately after eating. Now here are signs of poor eating habits or poor feeding method that if you don't notice and if you don't solve quickly can actually cause your turkeys to die. One thing, a turkey can come and stand beside the feed, but it won't be eating. You may not realize it. You may think that because the others are eating aggressively, all the turkeys are eating. However, that particular turkey may just be standing there, standing near the feed without eating. Another thing is that when you add more feed, when the feed is finishing and you pour more, there is this reaction to eat. Their reaction towards the eating also changes. They act in a way that they want to eat more of the feed. But when a turkey is slow and doesn't really show any response to you adding the feed, something could also be wrong. The third thing you need to watch out for is also a drooping posture. They bend and then they spread their wings in a way as if they are cold. They just look weak and pale. That is also a poor sign and it shows poor appetite. The last obvious sign is an empty crop. You catch it and then you check the crop. You use your fingers to check the crop and you realize it's empty. There is nothing there. When that's happening, it's very severe, because you may not see, but one day you go and the turkey will just be dead. It will be dead in the coop. If there's something creeping up in your turkey farm, you are definitely going to see it in their feeding behavior first. So be observant and pay attention. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe and share. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.